Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make lasagna. Let's start preparing the stuffing. In a hot pan, put half a kilo of ground beef. I'm satisfied with the meat fat, but you can add some oil. Keep stirring the meat until it is cooked, then add a chopped onion and 2 minced garlic cloves. Season with salt, black pepper and a teaspoon of ground Chinese black pepper and stir for 2 minutes. Then add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and mix well. The most important step in preparing lasagna is to add a cup of water to help the lasagna to be cooked in the oven. When the sauce boils, turn off the heat. In another pan, start preparing the white sauce by adding 2 cubes of butter. Add 2 tablespoons of flour and stir them with butter for 2 minutes. Be careful not to burn the flour. Gradually loosen the flour mixture with butter using a liter of milk, stirring constantly until it boils. Season with salt, black pepper and ground nutmeg. Now, layer lasagna starting with a layer of white sauce, then lasagna slices. I used a type of lasagna that has not been boiled, so you must read the preparation method on the package first. Then cover it with a layer of ground beef. then a layer of white sauce and sprinkle mozzarella cheese on top. Repeat the layers 3 more times. The last layer is white sauce and cover it with a large amount of it and sprinkle mozzarella cheese on top. Cover it with aluminum foil and put it into the oven at 190 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes, then remove the foil and use the oven broiler to get perfect golden color. Then leave to cool for 10 minutes before serving. If you like the video, press like, share and subscribe the channel.